So we have started with our trek. We have completed almost 1 kilometer और हमारी हालत आप देख सकते हो. Hi guys and welcome back to another travel vlog. So you can guess from my location that I'm somewhere in the mountains. So yes, I am planning to go for my very first trek. I'm going for a Nag Tibba trek and I wanted to do a trek for a very long time. But there was like some doubts if I'll be able to do it or not. So finally we decided that we'll be doing this trek and it's very cold over here. पता नहीं वहाँ पे क्या होगा. Like I think the temperature is in minus or something. So we'll see क्या होता है. So anyways, we'll be leaving from Mussoorie and then we'll be going to this village from where the trek starts and पूरे दिन का trek है and in the evening there will be a bonfire, dinner, music and all, and then we'll be completing the trek tomorrow and coming back from there. So yeah, it's a 2-day trek. Let's see how it goes. Like this is my very first trek, so I don't know if I'll be able to do it or not. So let's see if I succeed. If I'll be uploading this video, then I succeeded. So yes, so keep watching. I'll tell you everything, the cost and whatever, like how it was, everything in the very end. So keep watching, stay tuned, and first of all please go and go to that subscribe button and click that and subscribe to this channel and like this video as well. So we'll see you once the trek starts. So bye bye. So guys, we have reached to Pantwari village, which is around like 1.5 hours from Mussoorie, and we are going to start our trek from here. So the briefing is going on and let's go.
You go and camp without remorse, without heart. In your head, you're right, but in my head, you are the bad. I wanna show to the world that you're the bad one. You was being bad. That use all my love, use all my time, use all my heart. You begged me to come out with you. I don't know, I'm fine without you. You begged me to come out with you. I don't know, I'm fine without you.
So we have started with our trek. और कितने किलोमीटर हो गए हमें?
I think
we have completed almost 1 kilometer और हमारी हालत आप देख सकते हो. So just build your stamina before coming over here. अब और आगे चलते हैं.
To the world that you're the bad when you always being bad. What are you doing here? Cause I don't love you, boy. I wanna show to the world that you're the bad when you always being bad. You begged me to come out with you. I don't know, I'm fine without you. You begged me to come out with.
So we have reached to our camp. और ये हमारा छोटा सा टेंट है. कुछ दिख भी नहीं रहा है यहाँ पे. ओके.
hi guys.
Okay. So we have reached over here. We started at 3:15 और 5:30 तक नहीं, around like 6 बजे तक we were just walking and finally we are here. So we'll be having some fun over here. Hopefully we'll have bonfire. We just had some snacks, some chai and pakoras. So feeling good, and it's very cold over here. You can actually see the stars over here and they are so pretty. I'll try to capture it, but I'm unable to because it's like quite dark. There is like no moonshine or anything. I'll try to capture that, but it's so pretty, so pretty. Tomorrow morning we'll be again going to
The top of the Nag Tibba.
the top of the Nag Tibba.
Summit of Nag Tibba. Where we will be hoping to have a snow, because we have heard that yesterday they had a snowfall over there, and hope for the best.
Yeah.
Hello guys.
Good morning, guys.
Good morning.
So we started this trek at around 4 in the morning, and we have been walking since past 2.5 hours.
And this trek is not a beginner's trek at all. Is what our experience says. You have to build your stamina, at least a bit, so that you can do it easily, and bring a lot of proteins or calorie stuff so that you can do it like more easy. And it's like 7 kilometers. Yesterday we have done like 4 kilometers, and now today in the morning we have completed around 7 kilometers. So it's total of 11 to 13 kilometers approx.
Yes.
Yeah.
And also we are drained of energy
Yeah.
because we haven't slept last night. It was so cold. So if
Yeah.
you're planning to come in this kind of weather, do carry lots of clothes. Like I'm wearing layers of clothes right now.
I guess 4.
4 layers of clothes right now. It's so cold and I still feel cold, like my hands are like getting cold right now. So let's watch some sunrise for now,
Stay back.
and then we'll continue for the rest of our journey. So behind me you can see Nag Tibba temple, after which the trek was named. Starting our descent. Let's see how it goes. The guide has already told us the way is quite steepy, so I hope we'll cover it soon. enjoyed this video. So as I promised that I'll be sharing all the details with you guys. So this trek was booked by Himalayan Shelter, and we booked this for approximately 2400 rupees, in which we got the transport from Mussoorie to the village, the nearby village, food and everything, the guide, the camping. So in 2400 rupees you can get like the whole package, which is I think a fair deal. My review about my trekking experience would be, it is really good. It is worth the visit when you just go up there and see the snow and Himalayan ranges. You feel really good. So I think it's worth the visit, but I'll suggest that please build up your stamina. If this is your first trek, then go to a gym, walk, so yeah, and do remember to buy the perfect shoes, perfect trekking shoes. So I got my shoes from Decathlon, and you'll find 3 varieties of shoes over there. The normal hiking one, the mountain hiking, and the snow hiking. So go for a mountain hiking if you are planning for a Nag Tibba or this kind of trek, because there are lots of rocks over there, so the shoes really helps a lot. So yeah, I think I really wanted to go for a trek and I really enjoyed it. So it's worth the visit. And if you are an adventurous soul and if you are planning for a trek, then this would be the easiest one if we compare to other treks. So go for it, and I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you liked it, then please hit that subscribe button, increase my subscribers, and please give it a thumbs up and comment, and then I'll see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.